came across a BDU file flagged during a system scan and need to understand what it is, this is a driver-related file that warrants careful handling. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what BDU files are, why they exist, and what precautions you should take. For those rare occasions when Windows and standard apps fail to open your BDU, I'll reveal the dedicated third-party solution that serves as my professional failsafe. BDU files are unsigned driver files associated with Baidu software products distributed primarily in the Chinese market. They contain Windows kernel mode or user mode driver code that has not been digitally signed by Microsoft's Windows hardware quality labs, creating potential security and system stability considerations on modern Windows systems. BDU driver files are compiled. Windows PE portable executable binaries, structured as kernel mode or user mode drivers, implementing standard Windows driver model interfaces. Being unsigned, they lack Microsoft Authenticode digital signatures and WHQL certification, which modern Windows versions require for driver loading without special override configurations. Baidu antivirus developed by Baidu Inc. is often used as the source validator for BDU. Windows lacks necessary integrity checks, so safe handling requires approved software. Windows relies on correct contents, so altering system files may cause malfunction. Your key action: right-click the BDU file and select Open With. If Baidu antivirus is installed, use it. If not, choose another program. Continue testing until the BDU file opens successfully. If the BDU file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Congratulations on making it this far. We know the file is difficult. Now let's systematically test these common failure areas to pinpoint the origin of the problem. First, identifying the file, right-click the BDU file and select Properties. Then Digital Signatures to check for signing information. Scan the file with your antivirus software and upload it to virustotal.com for multi-engine analysis. Determine which Baidu application installed the file by checking the file path and creation date against your software installation history. Next, understanding security implications. Unsigned drivers bypass Windows driver signature enforcement, which exists to prevent malicious or unstable kernel code from running. On 64-bit, Windows unsigned drivers are blocked by default. If you did not intentionally install Baidu software, the presence of BDU files may indicate unwanted software that should be investigated and potentially removed. Finally, removing unwanted files. If the BDU file is associated with unwanted Baidu software, uninstall the parent application through Windows Settings, then Apps. Use autoruns from Microsoft sysinternals to check for any remaining driver entries in the system configuration. Run a full anti-malware scan with Windows Defender or Malwarebytes to ensure complete removal of unwanted components. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. Because the specialized software couldn't access your file, you need a dedicated universal solution. FileMagick is the one I always recommend. Visit filemagick.com for details. If you appreciate these expert walkthroughs, consider hitting the subscribe button to support the channel.